Yo dudes! Welcome to the most perfect almond milk. So
in the world.
Yeah, this really is in the world. So Dave's been up early, he caught some wild almonds here and
we're going to milk them. We're going to milk them and show you how to make almond milk.
Okay, this is perfect, simple, beautiful almond milk. The beautiful thing about this is that it's raw, it's unfiltered, it's unsweetened, or we're sweetening it naturally, and it tastes incredible. First step you're gonna do is you're gonna soak your almonds.
Soak our nuts.
Soak our nuts. So we've 200 grams of female almonds. You gotta make sure, okay, no,
That's a bad joke.
Okay, so 200 grams of almonds. You do not have to skin them or anything. We're gonna just pour in double the volume of water, as in
400.
Just cover them quite a lot. So that's 200 grams or 1 cup for our American friends, or a US metric.
That's good, isn't it?
Cover it. Go to bed. Okay, we're just gonna go to bed. Quick, just
night. Oh, it's morning.
Okay,
time.
We came back.
Good morning.
Wait, let's get it ready. Okay, so we came back in the morning. Super excited to see how our
Why is the bowl different?
Just they won't know. Okay, so our almonds have actually doubled in volume. They soaked up a load of water. They've removed their enzyme inhibitor, and when you taste them, they taste a little bit like coconut.
They're really, really nice.
Okay.
They say this is a much better way to eat almonds.
Yeah, removes the enzyme.
Leave a comment below if you agree, but if you've ever tasted them, they do taste like coconut, and they're well worth trying.
So this is called now a sprouted almond. So we're going to drain them, and we're going to give them a good wash.
So just pour them in. Wow, beautiful.
Now what's really important is just to give them a rinse, because there will just be a kind of slight acidic note to the water there.
So just rinse them in the sink. Okay, so the almonds are puffed up, we've drained them, and now we're ready to make some beautiful milk.
Okay, so in our blender we have our 200 grams of soaked almonds. So they'll obviously weigh a little more now.
Question for you, Steve, can I do this in any kind of blender?
Yeah, of course you can. So that was 1 cup of almonds starting. So now I'm adding in 800 ml of water, or 4 cups of water. In it goes.
Okay, wow.
I want to make this slightly more palatable because almonds can be a little bit sharp. I'm going to add in 4 pitted dates. This makes a natural sweetener to it. And it's
So 4 pitted dates.
Okay, so we blended it for a minute or two. Don't be too fussy because we're going to sieve it anyway.
So it ends up quite bitty, as you can see, in kind of almost like a brownish greyish colour.
Yeah. So obviously you're not going to drink that now, but roll on cheesecloth, also known as muslin.
Okay, so if you can't find a cheesecloth or muslin, just use a new J cloth. That works perfectly well too.
A clean tea towel will also work well. Now time for Dave to milk his almonds. So in it goes. This bit's quite fun.
Wow.
So once you've got it all in like that, this is the fun bit. This is where you milk. This is how to milk an almond, featuring my brother David Flynn. Bring the edges in,
and then you
squeeze. Well, hold it up. Looks more visual. Look. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's an almond udder.
So this is milking your cow. Almond cow.
There we go. Okay, great. So you're just going to milk your almond until it's dry and crusty like that, and all the water has come out.
Question, Steve. What can I do with all this crusty stuff?
Okay, so a lot of the goodness obviously has been removed, but it can function fine as a thickener, something to add calories and to add more fibre to your smoothies, to your soup.
There you go. It should be dry that you can just leave it out in the counter.
Okay, cool. So voila, here is our almond milk. So here's one we prepared earlier. Obviously Dave made a little bit of a mess, but...
So you're blaming Dave, are you?
Okay. Freshly milked almond.
Wow, it feels
So you'll notice normal milk...
Warm like it's straight from the udder.
So... Normal almond milk you'll buy in the supermarket, it's been UHT, so it's been boiled. So a lot of the enzyme activity, or a lot of the kind of goodness has been gone. The beauty of this is that it's fresh, it's living, and it's just been fresh.
Okay, thanks for the waffle. Okay, question, will it give me a milk moustache?
Let's try it.
That's the question. Will it give me a milk moustache?
Here's the big moment. Yeah, it did. You got a little one.
Tiny little Ronnie. As identical twins, we're hyper competitive. As you can see, we always compete for your attention and your love. Thank you for your love and your attention. But yeah, we grew up competing for mom's love and attention, and we both love making granola and we love cereal. So we were going to release a new granola earlier this year, and we were both trying to come up with the best recipe, and we both thought ours was better. So
we're going to ask you to vote. Dave, as kids, give us a spiel about your own.
Okay, mine. Mom wouldn't let us have Cocoa Pops when we were kids. She used to say that she didn't want us having them. So I made a granola that I was happy for my kids to have, that it's kind of healthier, it's delicious, and it makes the milk go chocolatey.
I made one in our blue book. I thought I came up with the best granola recipe ever. It was called Fluffy Clouds granola, which sounds mad, but it was like crunchy, crispy, melt in your mouth, incredible granola. So I wanted to come up with a no added sugar version. So this only has 4 grams of sugar per 100. It's also got 22 grams of fibre. So this one I think many sweet with power, and it tastes fabulous, which is most important. So
His is actually good.
So
not as good as mine, but
This is what we like to do with our freshly milked almonds. Would you like some, my darling? Very nice. There you
Dudes, thanks for watching.
Yeah,
Thank you for... Good luck making almond milk. It's really tasty. I'm going to make it this weekend actually at home.
Thank you for subscribing and wishing you all the best. Send loads it up.
Thanks for all your support. I really appreciate it.